There are machines that aren't just toys. They bring back the thrill we once felt as kids. The 9522 PRO high-speed RC truck is exactly that kind of machine. Powered by dual 3S 11.1V batteries, a 50A brushless ESC, and a 2845 brushless motor, it delivers performance you rarely see in this price range, reaching speeds of up to 85 km/h. Although it's a 1/16 scale model, its 32 cm length and 13 cm height give it the presence of a much larger truck. With metal differential gears, metal drive shafts, and a metal CVD transmission system, the powertrain is built to withstand rough runs, whether you're on dirt, grass, or asphalt. For many adults, this RC truck becomes more than a hobby. It's a small escape from daily stress, a moment to breathe while controlling pure speed with a single trigger. And for parents, it's a perfect weekend bonding activity with your kids. Durable, fast, and exciting. Considering its price, you might wonder, how is this even possible? But countless users call it a true value monster for good reason. Speed, power, durability. If you want all three, the 9522 PRO will not disappoint.